Good morning, everybody. My name is Brendon, and I'm a master's student at the University of Cape Town, Masters in Space Engineering. So I decided to make videos about space, just different facts and things how space affects our lives, essentially, whether we know it or not. I'll be talking about the South African space industry, all its facilities, the projects the past, present, and the future projects that's going on. I also do the same for the African space industry, such as the African Space Agency that is currently being formalized and going on, and also its policy and strategy, and also in general outside of the African scope, also the space industry, um, all the different projects of why we need to go to the moon, why are we going to the moon, the same for Mars, and all the different little nitty gritty things and technologies that's currently being developed for us to be able to do all these things. I'll also be talking about maybe some interesting engineering ideas, just simplifying them to everyday objects. Well, I'll try to, anyways, and trying to make sure you guys better understand how some of these things work in all aspects. So next week's video, the first one, I'll be talking about the South African space sector, the facilities, the universities that are involved in the process, and also a little bit about the African Space Agency. So just to get you guys going on, and then from there onwards, I'll just keep making these videos on the fly. They should be about 5 minutes of your day. Nothing too serious or too long. Maybe get to 10 minutes. If you do have questions that you want me to answer in the next videos, I guess I'll take a little bit of a few minutes of the next video to explain the questions that I received for people going forward, but that should be all. Just to sign off, the difference between aerospace and aeronautical. So aerospace is everything that flies outside of the Earth's atmosphere, and aeronautical is everything that flies within the Earth's atmosphere. So such as helicopters, planes, and drones. Anything that flies outside the Earth's atmosphere is a rocket and a satellite or rovers or whatever you can think of, telescopes, all sorts of things. Another interesting fact, so we all know the Earth rotates around its axis. Of course, they create the 24 hours. And then it also rotates around the sun, which creates the year, 365. But also the sun also rotates. The sun also moves around the center of the galaxy. So at the center of the galaxy is a black hole. Actually, every galaxy has a black hole. It's important for life. And our sun actually does it circles around the center of the galaxy. The process, if I remember, it's about 220 million years. So if maybe you guys can figure out a way for us to live that long, then you can actually come back to the same spot that it is now. So I'll be talking about, I'll be seeing you guys in the next video.